Hey, today I'm in Shiga Prefecture, a peaceful area in Japan that's famous for its nature and the Lake Biwa, the country's largest lake. Shiga is located right next to the Kyoto, so it's easy to visit when traveling in the Kansai region. From Tokyo, it takes about 2.5 hours by Shinkansen to reach here. Today, I'm going to take you to a place that's called Collina Ōmihachiman. At first glance, it looks like a fairy tale village straight out from a dream. But this is not just for a show. La Collina is a flagship store of the famous Japanese confectionery brand Taneya, which has been loved for over 140 years. The idea behind La Collina was to create more than just a shop. The founder wanted to build a place where nature, architecture, and a sweet come together, like a dream village for visitors of all age. With a grass-covered rooftop, whimsical buildings, and a relaxing atmosphere, it really feels like stepping into another world. After we stepping into this dreaming village, we find a different cafe here, each with its own charm. Some cafes serve fresh cake and light pastry, and perfect to enjoy with the coffee or tea, and other is a focus on the traditional Japanese style sweet that pair is beautiful with matcha. We decided to sit down and try their wagashi dorayaki, filled with the red bean paste and the fresh cream. It was simple but so delicious. All the dorayaki here are made to order, right in front of you. The open kitchens let you watch as the chef carefully prepare each sweet, so it feels like even more special when you finally taste it. After enjoying the dorayaki with the red bean paste and cream, it was time for shopping. This area is dedicated to wagashi, traditional Japanese sweet. The shop is not only filled with the beautiful packed wagashi, but also displays of a delicate sweet mold. Each mold is very special, from seasonal flower to unique shape. Every mold shows just how much craftsmanship goes into make this treat. But what makes La Collina special is that each area has its own focus. So this section is all about wagashi. Wagashi are traditional Japanese sweet, often served with tea, especially during the tea ceremony. They are usually made with the natural ingredients like red bean paste, rice flowers, and a seasonal fruit. Each design reflects nature, like the season, and also Japanese culture. Making wagashi is not just like a treat, but also like a form of edible art. After exploring the wagashi section, we kept wandering around and soon spot another charming cafe. This one is dedicated to castella, a soft, fluffy sponge cake originally introduced to Japan by Portuguese traders in the 16th century. Over time, the Japanese refined it into their own version. Now it's a beloved classic. Here at the Collina, you can enjoy fresh castella cake right come out from the oven. Wow, look at that! There's a Baumkuchen factory we can visit. Now we're at the Baumkuchen factory, famous for their soft, fluffy tree-ring cake. Well, let's skip the tricky German name. I don't even know how to pronounce it right or not. The reason why it's called chewing cake is because when you cut it, the layer is look like a tree trunk. A long time ago, a German pastry chef has brought this cake to Japan, and its unique rings and the soft layer is make it like an instant heat. And the making process is just fun. The batter is baked layer by layer fresh from the oven and then carefully moved to the cool down. Wow, I also spot them, they place the dehumidifier right at the cooling down area. Probably this is the reason why to make it soft and fluffy. I don't know, but watching this how they make in the process is so much fun and interesting. Voila! This has been one of the most interesting cake shops visits so far. Let's check out the finished products. Besides the cakes looking super fluffy and delicious, all the packaging is so eye-catching. No wonder I spot so many Japanese leaving with their hands full. La Collina is huge. After checking out the factory, we continue our dream village journey. Along the way, we spot tiny hills with the tiny doors. Wow, it feels like a fairy tale. I even tried going through one of the tiny doors just to step into that dreaming fantasy world myself.
It's not easy.
After that, we venture into a completely different vibe at the La Collina. They transformed the warehouse with so many interesting presentations. Look, check this out. They even use a retired UK double-decker bus as a little store, selling their famous cookie, cakes and souvenir. It's like stepping in the whimsical wonderland. Wow, I really like all their presentation here. It's not just a shopping. It's like walking through a little gallery of fun and creativity. No wonder so many visitors leave with their hands full. Even though I only spent the afternoon here, I really enjoyed every corner of La Collina. Every area is full of surprises and also perfect for those Instagrammable shots. From the magical dream village to the quirky warehouse where the double-decker bus, this place is truly a wonderland. For anyone who loves sweet, souvenir and a touch of fantasy, it's definitely a spot worth exploring. From your eye, from the camera, and also from the taste bud. Everything is all in one. Voila! That was my little sweet shopping trip in Shiga. If you enjoy tagging along and want more hidden gems like this, don't forget to subscribe. I will bring you more delicious and magical spots to explore.